In this video, I want to show you how to load the paper in your Canon TS7720 printer. So let's get started. You're going to stick your fingers right over here under, and you're going to pull out this drawer. Okay, there's one. And the thing is, you can simply pull it slightly the way it is right now, or you can pull it completely. And this is what I'll do so I can show you better. So you will have these blue guides, and depending on which kind of paper you're going to use, you can move them up and down. You'll notice over here we have A5, B5, LTR, this is for letter size, and A4, because this printer can print on many different kinds. If you're going to print on letter size, simply bring this until you're beside the LTR, and you're going to push these two blue guides to the extremities. Like that. Make sure the paper stays in between these blue guides, and then you simply have to push it all the way in your printer. Okay, and this is about it. You're gonna see, okay, it's hard to see, but because it disappeared, a message confirming which type of paper you have. And if you have changed the type of paper and it's not the one that you saw on the display, you simply have to tap on the cogwheel over here, printer settings, feed settings, over here, cassette paper setting, and over here you'll be able to choose between different kind of paper. So you can press change. In my case it's letter size, so we'll leave it like that. If you're going to print on photo paper like this, okay, this is a 4x6 glossy paper, well, you will not load it the way I just showed you. You're going to load it in the back. So let me switch to the back input. Right over here, this is where, if you open the flap, you're going to notice there is a second paper input. So again, with blue guide. So you're going to take here, let's say, okay, this is a photo paper. The glossy side needs to be facing the front of the paper, of the printer. So you're going to put it right over here, and you're going to make sure these two blue guides are not squeezing the paper, okay, not like that, but should be on this very close to the paper so that it doesn't come crooked inside, it doesn't enter. Let me just turn the printer. As you see, glossy side facing the front, and these two blue guides, oops, on the side like that. Leave this cover open because if not, it'll just fall. Leave it like that, and you'll be able to print on smaller size paper the way I just showed you. You can also simply input a letter size if you prefer, but there's no point since the front panel also is able to accommodate letter size. So this is it. I'll put links in the description if you want to get some good photo paper for your Pixma printer or some normal paper, and I'll see you in the next one.